Welcome back, guys. So now back to this. Let's try to generate our slides. We're going to use Gemini functionality on Google Slides to do that. So yes, let me call out the Gemini. I'll call that out, and you have to choose a theme that you want to use for your presentation. So this is Gemini right here. Right now, I don't want to choose a theme or anything, but if you want to do that, you have to close this up. Then you can get a theme for your presentation and all those things. Look at different themes right here, but I don't think I want to use any theme, so you could actually import theme as well if you have to. These are themes you could use or you could have used, but then let's go straight to Gemini right now. So we have our prompt already from the outline right here. So the title slide says the AI content generation prompt, so we're going to copy the first prompt right here and we're going to come implement it here on Gemini. Remember, this is a pro feature. It's meant to assist you here on your slide. So we're going to come paste it here on Gemini. Y is in the slide. So I'm going to paste the prompt and I'm going to have it sent. So let's see the result it brings out. It's just in a sec. You're going to be able to create your slide. After creating your slide, if you don't know anything about creating slide, this is Google Slide, and you can actually create slides just like you do on your presentation or your Microsoft PowerPoint. So here we have generate images. So you could generate an image, you could stock and web, and you could check your drive for photos as well. So let's wait for this to generate our first slide for us, and look at the first slide right here. So this is the first slide of that same app. So we are going to insert this right now. So it's created this first, so we're going to insert this. So this is the CU Compass Student Body app. Then we are going to go on and on. So we need to create a new slide. So let's say we've created the first slide, and now to create a new slide we need to go right here. We need to write this. We need to use this prompt right here. So let's go right now to use that. So I'm going to continue right here to paste this. Then we're going to have something like this, and I'm going to have it sent. Is a prompt already that was developed already, so we're going to have that sent right now. So we have two, and let's wait for it right away. So you could see right now this is a layout for your slide, but let's wait for what the Gemini will bring for us so we could insert it into the second slide. So here we have the second slide. So let's say you don't want this image, but let's insert it first. After we are done inserting, let's say we don't like this image and you want to remove the background, or you want to replace the image, you could edit it. You could replace the image with Gemini, and you could do a lot of things. And when you check insert here as well, you'll be able to do a lot of things right here. So you have your tools right here, and you could see things you could do. So right now we have an image we want to change, so we're going to replace the image with Gemini. So let's just have this, and having this right now, all we have to do is to prompt what we want. So let's say project a student having difficulties on on campus on campus. So let's have this, but then you have to select what your image will be like. Maybe you want it to be a square image, you want it to be wide, you want it to be tall. You can add your style if you want it to be a photography kind of image, if you want it to be a background kind of image. So let's say you want it to be a photography kind of image, and you have your create here. So you could create your image or you could edit the image. So let's create a new image right now so that we can replace it right here. So let's have that right away. So we're creating this right now to replace this image, and that is how you can generate slides. Aside from generating slides, you can actually generate images as well. So you could go on and on to beautify your slide right there. That's how to use Google Slide to do whatever you want to do when it comes to creating a presentation slide. So we have this, and it says they didn't quite get that. So project a student having difficulties. Okay, project a student in the library. Yes, so let's say project a student in the library trying to solve complex pro- problem. Yeah, so let's see something like this. So let's create that right away. So now we have different images of students in the library trying to solve complex problem or something. So let's use something like this right now. So I'm going to use this. So this will be replaced. This will be used to replace this very image. And that is what I just did right there. So you could go on and on to paste your next prompt or beautify this. So to beautify this, you can actually come right here to choose your theme template. So right here we are still having white. So you could have changed it to like a black theme, or you could go on and on to check different themes you could change to. So we have a lot of themes right here you could have changed to, and that is how to go about using Gemini on Google Slide and how to use Google Slide to create presentation. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.